The nozzle is the last section of tubing on your backpack blower. It nozzles down to increase the speed of the air leaving the tube. The nozzle tends to be rubbed against the ground during normal use. After a time, the tip will begin to wear away, which will alter the direction of the airflow and the speed of the air. Replacing the nozzle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Soja.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the nozzle from the straight pipe. Now I can install the new nozzle. I'll line the nozzle with the straight pipe and secure it in place. And that's how simple it is to replace the nozzle tube on your backpack blower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.